Hello Bitcoin price review, and welcome to a short series of videos that are tutorials on how to use Bitfinex for your Bitcoin and other altcoin trading. I'm new to Bitfinex. I only signed up a couple days ago, and the reason I'm making these tutorial videos is because I went to YouTube looking for answers to how to use Bitfinex, and I really didn't find very many videos that were explaining different parts of Bitfinex. So you can see here that it's an exchange where you can buy and sell Bitcoins and Litecoins, and you can do margin trading here using funds from liquidity providers. You can do liquidity swaps on this exchange as well. And it's those liquidity providers and the liquidity swaps that allow people to do their trading on margin inside Bitfinex. And it's a way of making money with Bitcoins that I had never even thought of before. I never even knew it was possible at all. And because the charts are in a position right now where it's in between for my trading signals, I've got a couple days at least where I can do other things and get prepared for other parts of trading before a trading signal will come on for me. So in that time, I thought it would be a good idea for me to put my money into becoming a liquidity provider. And when I searched on YouTube, I wasn't able to find any answers. I wasn't able to get the details and the information that I wanted when I went and learned about how does Bitfinex work. There's the basic exchange where you can exchange your Bitcoins. There's the margin trading where you can use other people's Bitcoins and leverage your position. And there's a specific cost that goes on along for doing that in this agreement. And it hinges on people being there to provide liquidity for this Bitfinex market by putting up dollars or Bitcoins, and the traders can use those dollars or Bitcoins as part of their leveraged position. So the great thing is that as a liquidity provider, you're not exposed to any risk. The trader themselves is taking on the risk of the price change of the Bitcoins, but you're just providing them the option to take those risks. And so when I looked around for a video that would teach me how to become a liquidity provider on Bitfinex, I couldn't find any tutorials that were helpful for me, so I had to resort back to actually reading the frequently asked questions. And it took me a bit going through before I found the answers and even the questions that I was looking for. And the first one is how can I take advantage of the trading platform even if I don't feel like buying Bitcoins? Which is, I'm asking, how can I become a liquidity provider? And this is the same question, but in a very roundabout way. So you can open a deposit account to provide liquidity in US dollars to other Bitfinex traders. And then I was reading down here further, what is the minimum amount for offering liquidity? The minimum amount is 100 US dollars. But if you use the auto renew, the minimum amount is $10 US. And I have just over $11. So I thought, wow, if I use the auto renew, okay, I'm not sure what the auto renew is. Oh, here we go. What is the auto renew feature? When the auto renew is activated, the balance, all the balance available in your deposit wallet is automatically offered at your set parameters. This is especially useful if you want to reinvest your daily return payments. I'm really fortunate to have had a few different donators give tips to this starting fund for Lumbridge City to use its trading system. And right now we have $11.51 US dollars worth of Bitcoins. And I initially put them into a specific account here inside Bitfinex without really knowing what that account meant. And sure enough, I had put my trading money into the trading wallet. And the trading wallet is where you go to do margin trades. The exchange wallet is where you go to do exchange trades, one-to-one leverage. And then the deposit wallet is where you put your money in order to provide liquidity to the rest of the market. And so I'm going to trade. I'm going to put all of my Bitcoin in there and leave it for a couple days to see how much money I make from it. 4941636. from my trading wallet to the deposit wallet. Okay, that's done. Now how do I do the auto renew? Let's pop over here to our trusty frequently asked questions. What is the auto renew feature? When it's activated, the balance in your deposit wallet is automatically offered at your set parameters. Now I need to learn where to go and set my parameters. All right, now in order to set my parameters and put things onto auto renew, I've got to go over to the Total Return Swaps tab and over onto the Auto Renew tab, and I'm going to automatically offer the rate you wish. An important part of the Auto Renew feature is this option below where you can offer a flash return rate which is automatically calculated based on the averages of the top 4 or 5 or something. And it's also good to be notified when your offer is taken. There's a lot of different cash being offered here, and so my little offer of the minimal amount may not actually be taken up by somebody. I'm not sure how this part is balanced in the back end. And that's it for this introduction of how to provide liquidity to the Bitfinex market and make money on autopilot. If you think I've missed something or there's some questions you have, leave those below in the comments and I'll be happy to make another video. This is Bitcoin Price Review signing off. Good luck with your Bitcoin trading.